Midnight sun beating down, sky clear and blue. Cannon cutting clean, twin screws pushing through. 3,300 horses roaring smooth and strong. The tanks are loaded, rolling all day long. River thick and muddy, churning up the brown. Cannon gliding easy, never letting us down. Refinery the terminal, we deliver the flow. Gas in the tanks, keep America on the go. From Canton, Ohio, pipes to the pumps nationwide. We move that liquid gold with that Marathon pride.
We run this marathon. Canton, Ohio, represent. Red barges shining, sun up, looking fresh.
River rats running it.
We run this marathon. Cannon on the rise. Marathon Petroleum. Watch us touch the sky.
Captain on the sticks, calm calling the play. Ease it down, boys.
Perfect sunny day.
Flanking the turns, facing up just right. Muddy water churning.
But the toe riding tight.
28 on, 28 off, that's how we live. But the river in my veins, man, that's what I give. Red fleet stretching back, looking sharp in the line. Cannon leading the way, every trip on time. From the Canton refinery down to the Gulf if we need. We keep the fuel flowing at marathon speed.
We run this marathon. Canton, Ohio, represent. Red barges shining, sun up, looking fresh.
River rats running it.
We run this marathon. Cannon on the rise. Marathon Petroleum. Watch us touch the sky.
Base hit deep, feel it in the deck plates. Red tankers rolling, can't never late. Ohio raised us, marathon made us great. Push that liquid fire, ain't no stopping this freight.
We run this marathon.
Cannon, Ohio represent.
We run this